Hey guys, I'm so excited. I have someone new for you. This is my bestie, Krista, and she came all the way from Texas just to help me make this video. Just for this. No, I'm just kidding. She's actually hating me right now because I'm making her guest appear on this video. But we went to Disney today and it was way fun. And I came home and I saw that I had this box and I'm like, friend, you have to come help me. She's amazing and supports me in everything, but she does not watch videos.
So after you watch the videos.
Well, she's never watched. She knows I do reselling, right? That's like
I know y'all love Michael. So
yes.
Sorry, I'm replacing him.
But so this will be fun because she's like a mystery. Like she doesn't really. Yeah, she doesn't know what the heck this even is. So okay, you want to see where it says from? Can you see there? Ta-da! Unclaimed baggage. Now, if you read the title, you know this is a mystery unboxing, and you also know I have told you in other videos, do not buy mystery bundles from this company, because I did twice and they were terrible, right? So they were awful. I told her I got a mixed boys clothing and it had half girls stuff. They did send me a replacement. Their customer service is amazing and their regular website items are amazing. And in the replacement though, they did send me a pair of men's shorts that paid for the box. So that was great. Anyway, why did I buy them this time? Well, I happened to be on the website the other day and they had some ones that I'd never seen before. Usually it is like just the women's strapless dresses, women's tank tops, and the kids stuff, and they usually only have size extra, extra small, small. Well, they must have just uploaded these the day I was on. So I have got, oh, I see my ducks outside, they're fighting. I have women's jackets and coats, size large, which that's my size, a women's sweater mystery bag, also in a large. So I'm hoping there'll at least be stuff that I can use if it's not sellable, right? A winter dresses mystery bag, 2 of those, one size small and one size medium. So that's what we're opening. And there's 5 of each. So it's 20 pieces. I paid $85 for a box that I don't know what's in it. So
you're cute.
I know. So that works out to, so the way it worked out, it was $35 for the jackets, $20 for the sweaters, and then $15 each for the dresses. But the way I worked my cost of goods for my spreadsheet, I added it all together. So it's going to be $4.25 a piece is what it's going to work out to. So
that's great.
Yeah. I send you this cute little sticker. I mean, you guys have to go to the website. By the way, how are my braids? This chick is awesome at braids. She did my kids. She did mine. This is after all day.
I don't watch videos, but I make nice braids.
It's true. She doesn't have to watch my videos. I love her anyway. And now every time I look back at this one, I'll see that she was here with me to help. Okay, ladies dresses, size medium. We're just going to start here. So it's definitely like bigger. This box is pretty heavy. So this is from people's lost luggage.
No.
So they take all the lost luggage. They have a store in Alabama that you can go to, and then they have a website. The reason these bags usually suck like the other ones, because they take out all the good stuff and sell it on the website, right? So you're kind of left with like the leftovers, but we'll see. I mean, at $4 and what, 25 cents each, that's cheaper than my Goodwill prices. So I don't know. Okay, you ready? Winter dresses. So I'm assuming they're all just going to be like long sleeve. What do you think?
That's fine.
This will be a cute like Christmas party dress. It is Karen Kane, and it's actually a medium. Last time the problem was nothing in the bag was the size it was supposed to be. So this does look like an actual indeed medium with some cute little. So that's not bad.
Yeah,
that's cute.
Yeah.
Okay, what's this? And yes, grown people like to watch grown people unbox things because I'm one of those people. So she's just being like, "Can we get done? We're going in the hot tub." Okay, this is Full Circle Trends. Never heard of that, but it's also a medium. It's a very tight sweater dress. Yeah,
this is probably a small.
It looks small, right? Like, or a junior's medium. Sometimes it could be. So a few, stuff like this, I will probably have to hang on to. If I can't resell it online, I can take it to my local buy-sell trade store, but they take stuff for the season. So they won't buy this until what? September or so, which is fine. Thankfully, I have a little bit of storage. Oh, I see something on the tag. Oh, this feels nice. I wish I could wear something like this.
Oh, yeah.
So this is Forever 21. So again, this is definitely a brand that my local store would take. Size medium. Ooh, feel that.
Yeah.
This is really cute. It has a cutout in the front.
Oh, I like that.
Ooh, risky. Look how far down.
As Michael would say, less is more.
Right? But it's what is the style? It's like a fit and flare a little at the bottom. It's cute.
Yeah, I like that a lot.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know if I would necessarily wear that these days, but okay, this is new tag. You would try it? You would look really cute in that. This is Maurice's, which I've heard of. We don't have that here. Do you have that? What's it similar to? Like Old Navy?
No. But it is like in a strip mall, like with Old Navy and Kohl's.
Oh, okay.
Type of store.
So Maurice's size medium, it says it was $34, but it's the same thing, very similar to that other one actually. It's got a cute little, this is cute in the front. Yeah. Oh my gosh, my ducks are like, look, they're just chasing each other. It's mating season. If you have chickens, ducks, like it's out of control right now. So it's like a t-shirt dress. This is actually really comfy. And actually like, I might wear this.
Yeah.
Like with a little pair of black or white flip-flops. This is cute. Okay, last one. Oh, oh boy. What is this? Alternative. Size medium? I don't know. It doesn't feel very nice. Yeah. Oh, this is supposed to be winter. But I guess because it has a cowl neck. But it feels like a t-shirt. But not like a very... Thermal. A thermal, yes. Like with a waffle knit thermal. So I guess you'd wear like a blazer or something over it. So this, I mean, it's kind of long, so this is definitely like appropriate for like an office, like career wear. So, okay. I mean,
okay, not bad.
There's nothing like, oh my gosh, but so that was $15. So, I mean, if you're somebody like that, if I had a job, I feel like you could wear most of this to work with a jacket or something over it. Cool. Okay. Let's jump to this. This looks like smalls. Ladies' dresses, small. Winter dresses. Okay. We're a fourth of the way done.
Okay. Fourth of the way to the hot tub.
Yes. CBR. I don't know what that is. Size small. The tag kind of reminds me of like a boutique something or other. It's very, it's very long.
Yeah.
So it doesn't appear like, it feels like it's never been washed, you know, like it seems brand new. So it's cute. This is definitely like I could see Plato's Closet selling something like that. This also feels brand new. Feels very similar. It's just another one of those, like, this actually reminds me of an Amazon tag. And I'm not hating on Amazon. I've got some cute shorts and pajamas, but this tag does not look like our pajamas we have.
Oh, yeah.
So this is a zip up the back. It's very flowy.
Long and
yeah. I mean, it's cute. These are smalls. Like I could see this being like for fall time, even like for family photos. It's coming across kind of red, but it's definitely more burnt orange. Yeah. Yeah, because this next one's red. See? There we go. Okay.
Should have worn our matching jammies.
Should have. Then we have a lot more views on my channel. We have some cute matching jammies. So this is they actually had this one for sale on their website. It was $8.29 on their website. Their website's awesome. Like you should look at it. I've got my kids some really nice. I got Keegan some Bogs, like shoes, like snowshoes. But yeah. Anyway, so this is a brand, also just like an Amazon weird tag. Never heard of, but kind of just a red little.
Yeah, it's got like a nice little slit on the bottom and the back.
Oh yeah, that's cute. This next thing is velvety. I heard velvet is making a comeback or something like that.
Yeah.
MG Apparel. This actually looks made in the USA. This looks like a vintage tag. That whole Y2K deal that's popular right now. Maybe some like Clueless. You know, like doesn't this seem like something they would have worn? I probably own, like this is long.
Or like 10 Things I Hate About You.
Yes. I mean, this is like a evening wear almost. Like
it's a nice blue color.
Yeah, it's pretty. It's like the black blue velvety. It has a slit in the back. I don't really know what I was expecting, but I guess this is it. Okay, last dress. Max Studio. So a brand I've actually heard of. Mm-hmm. It has a built-in tank top deal. It's pretty.
It's like a slip, I think.
Inside there?
Yeah.
Yeah, a nude colored attached thing. Because this material is like see-through, but it's shiny.
I actually think my teenager might wear that. It's cute.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
they like the see-through stuff.
Oh, is this trendy right now? She has a 16-year-old, right? And then, so you kind of know what's in. Where I'm like, no, I have no clue, other than watching YouTube. Okay, ladies sweaters size large. I love to wear sweaters at home, like sweatshirts, like stuff like that. So, all right, Simply Vera by Vera Wang.
Heard of it?
I've heard of it.
Mhm.
Okay, so this is a cardigan,
Oh,
actually.
I like that.
Yeah, it is indeed a large. What is going on? Is it? Yeah, it just split.
It just has,
Okay. I don't know that I would consider this. This is the jackets? Oh no, sweaters.
Sweater,
Okay.
yeah. Cardigan type.
What is this?
Like a lace.
Oh, I see. Okay, it just wasn't laying right. So it has
It's
a,
like sequin. It's a sequin line.
what is it supposed to show like that?
Yeah.
You only see half of it, but there's more under there.
Yeah.
Oh. Weird. But it feels nice. It's lightweight. So this is nice being in Florida. You know, just something that you throw in the car. Like, why is it? Oh, it has a hook? For what? Oh, to close the whole thing. Ah, I see. Okay, that's a lot. That's complicated. Okay, I don't know how to say this. Patrizia Luca Milano. Something. I don't know. Is that anything? Okay, so this is cute. It has like a
sheer.
Yeah. Like, so it's a long sleeve with some.
Oh yeah, like a sheer underneath, but then like a sweater material on the outside.
That'd be cute to wear over a jacket, or over a dress.
Over like one of those long dresses.
Yeah. That's cute. We're still out there fighting. Oh, this reminds me of something that I would have worn for sure. Yeah. So this is Michael Kors, size large. Like a turtleneck.
Yeah. Cold
Like
weather.
there's a spot on it, maybe. Something like that. I don't know. Maybe a water spot. But our turtlenecks, like, is that a thing still? It is? See, we didn't really get that cold here this year, but this is cute. Like,
yeah, it is.
Maybe I'll keep that. That'll look cute. Like, I don't really like things touching my neck, so I don't know.
But we're cold enough.
At least it's a brand I've heard of.
Yeah.
Oh, this has a tag. Colleen Bordeaux wine. I love it already because it's called wine. Size large, extra large.
I like the color and the little flowers.
Yeah, it's embroidered. This is supposed to be a sweater. This is definitely lightweight, like t-shirt material. Wait.
Where's the arms?
Is there no arms?
Oh, it's like a
cape?
No, it's like a
shawl.
Yeah, but it goes over your head and it's like a
oh, there's hole. Wait. Do your arms go through it?
There's only a hole for your head, right?
No, I see a hole over there. There's a hole for your arms. Look. Okay, so your head does go in, but look. There's a sleeve.
Oh, it's very strange.
There's sleeves. Yeah, so it's meant to look like a shawl thing,
like
but there is
thing.
sleeves if you look in there. Interesting. I wouldn't consider that a sweater though, because it's so lightweight. Okay, last one. Oh, this is special.
Bright.
This has got to be vintage. I don't know. I can look up the RN number. I never heard of it. Ronnie Salloway. But look at this. This is like, I mean, we love us some Lily, but this is a little special, right?
Very special.
Is there buttons on that side?
Nope.
Oh, there
Yes.
they are. Way in
Oh
there.
yeah, they have little.
Oh, some cool, like, I don't even know what those are. Okay. See, this is why I said, don't be buying the mystery bundles when you don't know what you're getting.
This is a video one not to do.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
So don't get these. Okay, so the last is the jackets. This is big. So size large. Let's hope something good is in here. Oh, I don't know. Wow.
Ooh.
Black rivet.
Off the fur.
I mean, this is more of a sweater, but wow, this is something. It's heavy.
Yeah. It has one.
My daughter would love this. Has some button closure. It's like an eyelash kind of, because yeah. This is cute though. Like,
Yeah,
I feel like leopard print, like any animal print, never goes out of style really. Like, somebody out there wants that.
Oh, this is like a bomber jacket.
Yeah, Ashley by 26 International outerwear, size large. Don't know if that's anything, but looks like just a tracksuit, but it's heavy.
Yeah.
Like it's very much lined. This is cute. I feel like this is something. I need to look up this brand because this, you know how you can just feel good quality? It just feels like nice. I could see you wearing this. Do you wear those cute like one of the vests and stuff? I couldn't pull that off, I don't think. Oh, what are you? Besides very heavy. Ellen Tracy. This is like a straight up Ellen Tracy size 12, which is a large. It feels like it has shoulder pads. And look at this thing.
That's heavy.
It's like a peacoat. Is that what this is called?
That's what it's called.
It feels
We
like.
don't use these things in Texas
Or Florida. It almost feels like it could be wool.
Yeah. It does.
I was trying to see if there was a.
It's like satin lined. Like
Here we go.
wool. Yep, wool.
52% wool. Nice. So that's a win. Wool, anything. I mean, it won't cover my $85 for all of this, but I will definitely recoup my $4.25 off of this for sure. Like, so I feel like so far this is probably one of the only things I would list on Posh. Like the rest of it, maybe that bomber, yeah.
Bomber jacket.
But the rest of it, I'll probably hold on. Maybe the leopard, actually.
The jacket.
Yeah. All right, there's 2 more pieces, and then we're done. And she'll be like, oh my gosh, I can't believe you made me do that.
It's all good.
Okay, the last 2 pieces have tags. So, hey, new with tags, that's nice. Okay, this is, I don't know. What is this? But it's pretty, this is the brand. Okay, let's start over.
Oh, it's, okay.
Maybe it was wrapped
Remove
up.
it once you buy it.
Oh, okay. Pretty Little Things is the brand. Cream suit jacket, 16. USA 12. So a UK, so maybe if this is a UK brand, since that was the first thing listed. Pretty Little Things. This is pretty. It's just like a white blazer,
Yeah.
but it's like satin lined up there.
It's nice.
This is something I like when I once upon a time had a career job. I would have worn this with even with jeans.
Yeah.
That's cute. And then I feel like it must have been folded and maybe this was around it or something. Cool. And it's a little heavy, yeah. That's sellable. Yeah. Okay, last thing. Looks like a curtain. Coldwater Creek. We have that store here. Size 14. Oh, it's very shiny. Brand new shimmer houndstooth jacket. Oh, it is houndstooth if you look closely. Yeah, so I feel like this is kind of one of those bread and butter brands, like people that like Chico's and stuff. My mom likes to shop at this store. It is definitely very shiny. So in the right season, I feel like this will sell for sure. It's a good size. 14 is more like an extra large, but anyway, okay.
There's your box.
There's my box. I spent $85 just to sit here with her and do a fun unboxing with you guys. But I mean, honestly speaking, I do think I can recoup at least half of that from a couple online sales, and then I'll hold on to some of this stuff and go to Style Encore or Plato's this fall. I do keep track of where I get my items, so it'll be fun to eventually look back and see if I profited or whatever. Yeah. So anyway, this website is really awesome. I have bought some really great name brand items for very, very cheap, new with tags, brands that you typically might not find in your local thrifts. I have purchased stuff for myself and bought stuff to flip and ended up getting my stuff for free. So anyway, yeah, go check it out. Thanks for my special guest for tuning in today, and I will catch you next time. My 50-pound box of thread up denim also arrived, so that will probably be what is coming out next for you guys. Happy Easter, have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.